What is up, ladies and gentlemen? This is Kritika Marolia, and welcome to my YouTube channel. I am so excited because I've just started recording videos, and this is supposed to be my first ever video for 2026 and my first ever video on my YouTube channel. Before this, I have recorded a couple of videos, but I haven't posted a new, and we are going to put my vision board into place. So I have already made my vision board. Right now I'm just going to show you how it looks like and give you a little insights on what I want 2026 to look like. Stay tuned to watch what is coming because you're gonna love watching. Let me show you. So I just shifted a little bit. I guess right now my vision board can come into the frame. So this is my 2026 vision board, which you are seeing right now. A close up, if you get to see. Yes. So I'll put the cinematic shot of my vision board in this video, like before or maybe after this I'll put the cinematic shot of it, but as of now I'm gonna show you what exactly this means. I won't start from this, I would start from here. So this is the key ingredient of my vision board, which is, if you can see what is written, this is Mive Entertainment. So if you see my vision board right now, this over here is Mive, which is my stage name. It's also tattooed on me. So this is my stage name, as I am a songwriter and a singer. So I want 2026 to have a lot of things around Mive because I want to do so much for Mive. And I've also given a code over here, which is manifest success. I am manifesting success for a lot of, but more than a lot of things, I'm manifesting success for Mive because I'm too excited for it. Too excited. I just want all of you guys, like everyone in the universe, to hear my songs and relate to it if you can. But I feel you all will love because they have deep meanings into it, and it's just so much there into the song that I love. So that's what it is. What you can see over here is again related to Mive over here. This is a girl in front of a crowd having a concert, and I feel that this is what I want in 2026, which is what I want for sure. And I believe, not think, I believe I'm gonna get it. So this is what it is, and we've also put a code over here that make it happen. Last year I did try a lot, but apparently it just didn't work out the way I wanted it to. So this year, for sure. The second picture that we have over here is point of view you are in Ujjain. So I am so excited for Ujjain. I just believe that, this year I am so much spiritually inclined that I am so excited to go to spiritual places, especially the places where Lord Shiva is praised a lot. So this year I'm too much spiritually inclined, and Ujjain is somewhere I really, really want to go. Last year I missed the trip because my father and my mother went, but I did not, and neither did my sister. So this year I absolutely want to go there. No ifs and buts, I want to go there. The third picture we have is give up on giving up. So I feel this year I don't want to give up on anything. I just want to give up on the thought of giving up. Like, if I feel that, this is something I want to give up on, I'm like, no, just give up on that thought, fuck it, and just do whatever you want to do. Like that. The next picture we have over here is a familiar picture because I think I want to spend so much time with my family and my friends who I call family. I just want to be with them, enjoy my time with them because I love them all from the bottom of my heart. What we have over here is basically a picture which I think every girl has. I mean, not just every girl, but I think everyone does have, and it's a picture of a window of a flight, and there's a beautiful sunset happening over there. And I want to travel a lot by flight this year. When I say a lot by flight, I mean I want to travel to too many places. And there's a thing that I say, how many is too many and too many is how many. That's what I want over here. If you get this, you get it. Then the next picture is I am God's favorite child. See if you can see it over here. And I believe that I'm God's favorite child because, of course, the God is on my side. So I am God's favorite child. The next one that we have over there is with a butterfly sign over here, if you can see. This is the most important thing which is there in my life, that is to drink water. I forget to drink water. I can't help it. I do forget. I mean, I drink those small bottle of water rather than drinking a lot of water, which is so much needed for your health. So this year I want to drink a lot of water. Now next picture that we have is a travel destination where I want to travel this year, and that is none other than Nepal. Like, I want my first international trip to be Nepal. And there's a very specific reason, because I am a mountain person. So I love mountains over there. I love Kathmandu. I love Muktinath temple. I love Pashupatinath temple. Like I said, I'm spiritually inclined this year. So this is the place that I actually want to go to. And I'm so excited. I don't know when I'm supposed to go there, but this year I definitely want to go there. The next picture that we have over here is a girl sitting and watching a beautiful sunrise from a mountain. And like I said, this year I am into the mountains. So I want to watch a beautiful sunrise. Like, I know I just want to wake up early in the morning when there's so much of dark, or maybe just not sleep, and then maybe I can be there. I can land on this place. Who knows? The next picture, let's just suppose that I just believe that this happens. But what we have over here, the next picture, is a girl who's recording, and like I said, this year I want to do too much for MeWe, and in that too much comes is I want to record a lot of songs. Like, I just want to record too many songs. But it's just not about recording songs. It's about posting them. So I want to be very, very, very serious on that fact. What you see over here is this is a very fun picture, okay? This is a girl driving a Bullet. So I drive an Activa, and right now I'm too bored with it. I just want to drive a bike. I manually I do know how to drive a bike. But physically, I haven't done that. So this year I want to do that. I'm very excited for it. Another picture is of trekking, and this year I want to trek. Hopefully it does happen. Again, the statement comes that this year I'm on the mountains. So mountain is the thing this year. Now this picture is a bundle of dollars. So this year I want too much money. And this year I am manifesting, but I'm manifesting more. So manifesting is the thing for me this year. I just want my account to flooded with money. So much of money is what I want. Then this is to the new chapter, is because 2026 is altogether a new chapter for me. So I am very excited for the new chapter. Then we have is you are the main character. I am the main character of my story. So I am the main character, okay? Now what we have over here is rich in health. This year I feel I want to eat a lot of veggies rather than a lot of meat. Because I do eat meat, but I don't eat vegetables. So this year I want some vegetables to be there in my life. So far this year I haven't ate that many vegetables, but I do want to eat a lot. So congrats, but I just wish it does happen. This is a girl on a treadmill. So this year I want to focus on health also, because I believe health is the most important thing that you want to focus on. And last year I went off the track, but this year I want to be on track. The next quote over here is catch flights and not feelings. Hard to describe, but I want to catch a flight rather than catching feelings for people. Though I would want to catch feelings, but this year I want to hold myself back a little bit more. Then this is a go-karting picture, and this year I want to do go-karting. Last year I missed it. This year I want to do it, and I believe I would do it. Then this is memories, because this year I want to create memories. And then this is to get my license. I just want to get my license this year. See, this is what we have. This is get my license. I do have a car, like my father has a car. It's not my car, my father's car. But I can't drive it. My sister can drive it. My father can drive it. They do have a license also. Well, I don't have it, and they don't let me drive. So this year I want to have a driver's license so that I can drive, and then I can go for a real gaidi, which you do it in the car. So that is what I want this year. Then there's another picture of scuba diving. So I do want to do it, but I'm not sure whether I would do it or not. Then there's bungee jumping, and believe me, this year I'm gonna do bungee jumping because my plan is to go to Nepal. So if I land in Nepal, that means I'm doing bungee jumping because Nepal has 160 meters of bungee jumping, and I'm so excited for it. The next one is financial freedom. So touch wood, by the grace of God, I earn my own money, I spend my own money, though I do get corrupted with the money. Corrupted is not the right term, but I would say that I do end up spending a lot of money. But this year I want to be financially, like, the financial freedom is what I want, is not just, earning money, but this year I want to, how do I describe it, this year I just want money to, I can buy anything and I shouldn't think twice about it. Like, I have that much money. So that is the kind of money I want, which gives me financial freedom. I mean, I don't know how I'm expressing it, but I think that's what I want. And then I have a picture of passport over here, is because this year I want to utilize my passport and not just renew my passport. That's what I want. Now I'll show you one more picture in the corner that you're seeing, is a Burj Khalifa picture over there with a girl standing. So this is, see, I'm not manifesting a trip to Dubai, but this is more like, I find this as a very powerful picture which inspires me a lot. This corner picture over here, this really inspires me to be very powerful. This year I want to have power and, make decisions that just are crazy. And then down you can see rich girl energy. This year I do want rich girl energy. I am the rich girl, by the way. That's what I want. Then we have a picture of passport, like, stamped passport over here. So this year I want, I don't know, these many stamps are too many stamps, but I just wish I do have stamp on my passport. Like I said, utilization of my passport is what I want to do this year. Let's see how much it comes. The picture above it is my family is healthy and happy, and I really want my family to be healthy and happy and everyone to be very good with their health. Let's not have any other problems with the health this year. So that's what I'm manifesting. What I have next over here is I see myself winning. So this year I really believe I do see myself winning this year. This is the picture. Then there's good things are coming. There's too many quotes, I would say, because I want these quotes to be there in my whole vision board so that it is completed. So that is what I want. Then I do have an evil eye over here which says, may every evil eye in your life go blind. So everyone putting a nazar on me, you guys just go blind. Go away. Just kidding. But I do wish that evil eyes just go away with time. Now what we have over here is paragliding picture. I do want to do paragliding because it's a lot of adventure that I want in my life, and this is one of it, so I really want it to happen. Then this is a picture, this is a quote actually, which says, I am creating the life of my dreams. So I believe I am creating a life of my dreams, and 2026 is my year, so this is what I want. What we have over here is this crazy. Basically, I'll tell you what is this picture. This is a girl holding a lot of expensive goodie bags, which is like Louis Vuitton, Dior, YSL. All those bags are there. I mean, shopping. So I want to shop something luxury this year, even though it means blowing my money away. But something I do want this year, which I can call as luxury. It shouldn't be like an investment or anything like that. Like, a random expensive thing is what I want, which, I can say, what is a luxury thing that I bought? I bought this, even though it doesn't make sense, but I did bought it. Then the next thing we have is 1% better every day. It's a quote, and I believe that this year I want to be 1% better every day. So something new should always happen with you, and I think every day I want to learn something new, which means learning patience also, which I don't have, but I believe I would. Let's see how far we go with learning patience or getting 1% better every day. Let's try that. And this is another picture which makes me feel powerful, is an airplane going above from a girl. I mean, I do feel very powerful looking at such pictures. Even this and even this one has been in my phone gallery for ages now. This is the whole city you can see at the back, and then the girl is leaning back to it. And I believe that this has been in my phone for the longest, and every year I do post something, like, Instagram story I post with this picture. So this has always motivated me for power. Then I want is, I don't chase, I attract is the quote, because this year I don't want to chase anything except my dreams. So this year I don't want to chase anything except my dreams, is what we say. And then we have an 11-11. So I think if you get to know me better, I'm a firm believer of 11-11, and I believe that whatever you wish in 11-11 comes true. So believe in it. Next one that we have is a very Instagrammable location which is going to forward. I mean, on every reel, every story, I've been seeing this location, and it is in Arunachal Pradesh, and it is none other than Tawang. So, and also it has snow mountains. So this year I want to go to Tawang. Maybe if I can. I think I can. Then this is one more picture which is very powerful. Again, I think there's a lot of powerful picture in the vision board which keeps me inspiring. But this is a new era of me. I believe that this is a new era of me, and we're gonna rock it. So this is what it is. Then this is a camping picture over here. Like, I want to do this kind of a camping. I just don't want to do those normal campings. I've done it before. I haven't done any of it last year, but this year I want to do it. Then we have headphones over here, because it's a music here. And then we have is stay grateful. Last year I think I forgot to stay grateful. This year I want to be grateful. And last but not the least, you can see the butterfly over there. That is what I want, is because I want all these dreams to fly with me. So excited for it. And if you liked my vision board for 2026, we'll see by December 2026 what all things are completed over here. Well, if last but not least, see what's written over here. This 2026, it's like an Hot Wheel logo, but that is hot mess. So this year, I want to be a hot mess. Well, I would be. So if you like this video, if you like my vision board, hit the like button. Subscribe to my YouTube channel to watch more vlogs, and hit the bell icon so that you never miss a video. Like, I don't know how many of you are gonna see it, but I hope you liked it. Thank you so much. Love you. Bye bye.